Working with a mantón, a shawl, is a lot of work. You need a lot of upper body strength and some coordination. But in today's video, we're going to do some beginning mantón work. It's definitely geared towards intermediate to advanced dancers because you need that technique to help you. And if you like what you see, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. And I invite you to join me inside my Online Flamenco Studio. There's more information in the description below, and you can follow the link for your free 10-day trial. So let's begin. Now, the part that's very challenging about the mantón is actually all the upper body work that you need for it. You need to be able to open up that side waist and have a little bit of mobility in the rib cage, and also be able to relax the knees so you can move around and get out of the way. So the first thing we're going to do is, when you have your mantón, it's going to be folded in a triangle, and you want to have it even. And generally, you want to have it heavy enough so that it has some weight to it, so you can move it around. Because if it's too light, it'll just fly around. If it's too small, you won't be able to actually move it. And of course, on the other side, if it's too heavy, then you can't, you won't be able to move it at all. All right, so first things first is we have it as a triangle folded over. And we'll just put it on our shoulders first. And you want to make sure that any time that you have your arms underneath, that the elbows are out. So if you're moving around with the mantón, the elbows need to be out so that the mantón actually stays beautiful, beautiful across the body. So first thing we're going to work on is just being able to lift up the arms with the elbows back. And you notice that I'm holding on to the mantón lightly with my hands, and so you don't want to grip. If you are gripping too much, it's going to get caught in your hands. Okay, so it's going to wrap around your arms. So first thing, we're going to open and down. Okay, so here we're going to add open, ba-dum, bum. Ba-dum, bum, ba-ba-dum, ba-ba-dum. And you think, okay, that's kind of pretty easy. Is it too easy? Well, the idea is that you really want to be able to work on opening up, lifting up that rib cage, and as you lift those arms, that the elbows are back. So the difference is just lifting the arms and the elbows are down like this, you're just gonna get caught, and it just doesn't look very nice. So you wanna be able to keep those elbows back, lift up that chest as you open up or bring up the arms. All right, the next thing is being able to move it around the body. So a very common technique is, I just call it going around the world, because you go around, go around and around. All right, so what you're gonna do here is you're gonna bend those knees, keep them relaxed, open it, and bring it behind, and you have to open up that side waist, because if you just stay here without moving, it's just going to get caught. It's just going to get caught, and it just looks goofy, right? So you want to bend those knees, open up that side waist and the rib cage, and I'm bending over, and then I can move the mantón, and then bring the left arm under and back around, okay? So I just tend to go in this direction with the left arm up, going towards the front. But of course you can go either way, whichever is most comfortable for you, and I guess it depends on just whatever choreography you're doing. But okay, so again we have relax the knees, open to the front, and bring the left arm under. Here. Now what I see lots of times that people get stuck with is they hold on to the mantón too tightly and just kind of get caught up. You see how I just got all wound up in there? That's because you're holding on too tight. So if you hold on too tight and you don't really pay attention of what's going on, you see now I'm all wound up with the mantón in the fist. So I'm light. So I'm here, open, and so right now I'm kind of like this with my fingers, and then I bring the left arm under, and again. Let's do this. Let's do a little combination of together and open, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what I'm doing here is I had my feet together and then I stepped out with the left as I wanted to go around the world. So we have, and 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, again, 8, 9, 10, and 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we can practice going in the other direction just to even things out. I tend to not go that way, but it's a good way to practice. So we have, just practice there, we step out with the right. And before we lifted the left arm, now we lift up the right arm. So step out to the right, lift up the right, go back here, and now bring the right arm under and here. Again, so we step out with the right, open with the right, behind, front, and together, okay? All right, here we go. So let's start going to the left and then we'll go to the right. We'll just do a little combination there, alternating. And 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 left, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Together, up, bum, now to the right, and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again, 12, 1, 2, 3 to the left, and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 to the right, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so a lot of it is remembering which way am I going. All right, let's practice this again, and let's do solo compás. 7, 8, 9, 10, and 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, left. Let's stay on the left again. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, around and back again. 12, 1, 2, 3, lift the left arm to the front, back, together. All right, let's go next compás, and then we'll go to the right. 7, 8, 9, 10, and 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right. Ba-dum, ba-dum, ba, and right. 8, 9, 10. Okay, again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 to the right. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, now let's go back to the left. 7, 8, 9, 10, and 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A left, ba, ba-dum, ba, and back. One more time, ba, ba-dum, ba, and back, ba. All right, now let's practice it one last time on the right. 2, 3, next compás. 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Bum, ba-da. So up and step out to the right. Ba, ba-da, ba, ba. One more time. Ba, ba-dum, ba, and back. Ba-da. Ole. Thanks for joining me in this beginning Mantón technique class. If you want to study more with me in a very systematic, structured environment, I invite you to join me inside my Online Flamenco Studio, where I have over 80 courses for new beginners through advanced levels in technique, choreography, and flamenco theory, including several choreographies with Mantón. Click the link below for your free 10-day trial, and I'll see you next time.